Hello brothers and sisters. So I said I would do a drugstore makeup tutorial and here it is. You clicked on it. You're here. Are you ready to watch? Because I hope you're ready to watch. I'm just gonna get straight to it. All of the drugstore products that I bought are from Ulta, but you can get them at your local drugstore, Walgreens, CVS, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, wherever you want to go, you can go there and get them under $10 each, so you won't spend an arm and a leg. They're great products. I say they're great. You can use them. I'm sure they'll work for you. If they don't, let me know. Let's find something that works for you, you know? I don't want to talk too much, so let's just get straight to the video. Okay, so I have a pimple that's like super red, and I'm gonna cover it up with the green concealer to cancel out that redness. The brand is LA Colors, and I'm just gonna dab it on a little bit and leave it there for a second. Might as well do all of my blemishes. Yeah, now, because your girl's stressed. Stresses out. So I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend foundation today in the shade L40. So I'm just gonna squirt it. And I love this NYX blender. This NYX blender is so good. So you really just want to pat on all of the foundation all over your face. That's the thing about beauty blenders or sponges. A lot of people just kind of like drag, don't drag. You're supposed to pat it on. I have a lot of redness today. I don't know why. I slept all day yesterday. So I really wanted to try out a new contour stick. So this one is from Wet n Wild, and it has a medium contour and then a highlighting stick. I'm going to use the highlighting stick as my concealer today. It's pretty good. This is my first time using it, and I like that. I like that so far. Okay. Cute. So cute. Oh, okay, so this is different. It's really good. Okay, so the highlighting part is kind of a flattish. I don't know if you can tell. It's kind of flat and like it points up, and then like perfect for your nose part, so you can just have like a perfect line like that. Whereas like the contour part is very circular, like spherical, circle-like. It doesn't point up whatsoever. It's like an oval. So it's perfect for contouring like that. I like to contour on the inside of my eye. Like that. Dampen my sponge a little bit with some setting spray. Now I'm going to use the back of this sponge. This part is perfect for my concealer, but the back of it is perfect for blending out my contour. See that? Perfect. So perfect. So inside here, I'm just gonna like swipe just like that bronze look for my eyes, but I'm not gonna put any eyeshadow on today. So that's mainly why I'm doing the contour stick on my lids. Okay, so I'm gonna get this e.l.f. palette. It has highlighter, blush, and a little dark color for contour or bronzer. I'm gonna bronze this up. Just to give it some shimmer. I'm not really gonna do a whole bunch of color today. This is my absolute favorite. Like, oh my god, look at that. Oh gosh, it's just perfect. Literally, I don't have to use a lot from e.l.f. and that's just insane. It's just a loose powder and it just looks perfect. So we're just gonna put it on the highest part of my cheekbones to give it that flare. I like to put some on my cupid's bow right here. I'm gonna get a tiny brush and put it on the inner corner of my eyes to make it pop. Alright, and then I like to put it on my brow bone to make that pop as well. Now that we're moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna do my brows. So this brow gel from e.l.f. is really good. It's very affordable, and I don't really like to do a lot with my eyebrows. Just like that natural look, and it's just perfect for it. It brushes them out, it fills them in a little bit, and it just makes them look so natural. This is my Revlon eyelash curler. This is the only eyelash curler I use. So I'm curling at the very base and then I'm moving upwards to the tip of my lashes. So I also like to use the dual mascara from e.l.f. It has upper lash brush and it has a lower lash brush. Super small, perfect to get those tiny little lashes at the bottom. This is also waterproof, so it's kind of hard to come off, but I tear up a lot and that's mainly why I like to use waterproof mascara, because every time I sneeze, like my eyes get really watery and then it's just a mess. A mess. I like this mascara a lot. It's not clumpy. And it's just perfect. The brush, the formula. Okay, let's move to lower lashes. I have such a struggle with my lower lashes because they're so straight. They're never curly. Also, this brush helps a lot for being so tiny and perfect. And like, are we really gonna spend like $20 on mascara that's just for lower lashes? Like, I'm not. I'm not. Even though I love to do my lower lashes because it just makes everything pop. Just a teeny tiny little mascara brush. It's so small. It is so small. I love it. Now I'm just separating my lashes so they're all like perfect and like by themselves, you know? Because they don't want to be together. They don't want to be up in each other's business, man. They're like, get out of my business. Like, I want to be away from you, okay? I've just had enough of you. That's how they feel, and I agree with them. I'm trying to social distance, okay? Alright, I love this matte liquid liner from NYX. It's amazing. The brush is just perfect for that extra sharp wing. It really is. Very affordable, so you're not breaking the bank for a sharp eyeliner. Just flick it out, flick it. There you go. And your sharp wing. And bring it in. And fill it in. And she's perfect. She's sharp and she's ready to kill you. Aww. So I was fostering a dog, and then she got adopted. I'm really sad. I wanted to adopt her, but my boyfriend was like, Iris, like, we cannot handle 2 dogs, like, we know this. And I don't know, she's just so pretty, and she was such a good girl. She was just so good. Now she's gone. She's happy. She was with a good family, so, you know, I feel okay about it. I feel fine. Alright, anyways. Alright, so for lips, I use the LA Girl Lip Liner. And the shade is Sugar and Spice because I'm both. So, I'm gonna line my lips with that to give it a natural contour. It's a very nude lip liner. I love lip liner. I love the Maybelline Superstay matte lips. They glide on like a gloss. You can see like they're pretty glossy, but then it dries matte. And I love that. Same as like it goes on like a gloss and it just dries matte. I love that. So I'm going to finish off by using the matte finishing spray by NYX. I love this one. It's like, it smells so good, but it works really, really well. I love the smell of finishing spray though. I don't know. Is that weird? I think that's weird. And that is the end of my drugstore makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, please like and comment. And if you want to see more of my videos, you can even subscribe. If you don't have an account, go ahead and make one because it's free. It's free to create an account. It's free to subscribe. Whatever you want to do, you can do. I'm not going to pressure you. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, a great week. Stay blessed, stay safe. I love you guys. Deuces. My bangs never want to cooperate with me. From drugstores. That's just weird. You know? Why do drugstores sell makeup? You know, why do we call them that? Why? Why do we call drugstores drugstores whenever they sell makeup and like other stuff? Why? Anyways. Hold on. I can't. I'm not gonna be able to stop thinking about that.